Hey everybody, welcome to today's drive where we're going to go ahead and tour Woodside Village, which is located off of Hall Road in 32817 zip code. So it's a nice little quaint single family home neighborhood that has a lot of great benefits that I think you guys would like. So currently there is no active and zero pending, and so far for 2023 there's only been 2 homes sold. Now a lot of times I always give you what the median sales price is, but that's a little challenging in this neighborhood because the homes that have sold are a little bit on the skewed side. So right now, of the 2 that sold, one sold for $556,000. The other one sold for $1,153,000. Now, why the big discrepancy, I'm sure you're wondering. Well, the big discrepancy is this neighborhood is situated off of a lake. So the home that sold for over $1 million is because it is lakefront property on a lake that is actually a skiable lake. So it kind of skews the values. As you can tell, many people don't sell these homes in this neighborhood, hence why there's only been 2 sales so far for the year. Now the days on market for these homes right now is 92. It's still probably a little bit skewed because the home that was sold in the 500s sold a lot faster, and then this home that sold in the over 1 million didn't sell as fast. So now just to give you an idea of the pricing of this neighborhood, 2022 9 homes sold. Of those 9 homes, the median sales price was $505,000, and the typical days on market were 12 days. Now this neighborhood typically is going for 1.01% of list price. So when you list a home, you can expect that you're probably going to get about 1% higher than what the actual home is listed for. Now the school zones for this neighborhood is Lakemont Elementary, Maitland Middle, and Winter Park High. So you're in a Winter Park school district. Right down the street it switches to another school district, but the Winter Park school district is a school district that is highly sought after in here. This neighborhood is also located at the corner of Hall Road and University. So you're talking about, you're about 10-15 minutes away from UCF. You're right around the corner from the 417. You got the YMCA in Blanchard not far away. So you got options for this neighborhood. Now, probably one of the coolest things I think of this neighborhood is the HOA. With the HOA, you pay $174 quarterly. So it's not anything that's going to break your bank. And more importantly, you got some pretty cool benefits. One, you have a boat ramp. So you can put a boat in there if you have one. That's a great feature for this home. Another one is not only do you have the boat ramp, but you have a playground, you have a pool right off of the lake. So you get to enjoy it a little bit with some of the amenities, which we'll pull in to the location of the amenities here in a second to give you a little bit of an understanding of what they look like. We'll just pull right in here to this parking lot, and this is where these amenities that you're paying $174 for come from. So as you can see, you got the playground, you got the lake right in front of us, you got the pool right over to the side with a little clubhouse. So it's a great feature for this neighborhood that you'll be able to do that. And you even have a little bit of tennis courts over there. So, and look, a little neighborhood reading library for the kiddies. So I hope you guys enjoy this neighborhood. If you have any questions, feel free, reach out Tell me your thoughts. It's a very family-oriented neighborhood built back in the 80s. So you can tell you got oak trees lining the trees. And, you know, it's a good home and a great location that you won't miss out on. So located in the 32817 zip code of Orlando. Thank you and have a good day.